So many times my phone fell down. In this vlog only twice it fell down.
BTS.
Hi. It's just,
Hi you guys, hello, welcome to my channel. If you know my channel, I'm Akanksha. I'm going to try. It's super early in the morning, it's 6 o'clock. I woke up because I have a shoot today. I slept around 3:30 because I was not able to sleep only. I was super sleepy. I'm not going to try to pretend like I have the energy to talk as well. But today is a shoot day. I'm shooting like outdoors with a photographer for the first time, like a videographer. So thought I'll vlog the process. Today is going to be a very long day. I already know that. I'm getting ready. So we are shooting for Maybelline today for these mini palettes. And imagine waking up at 5:30 in the morning and you have to pluck your brows. It's so painful. I don't want to put myself to this pain. But it's an eyeshadow campaign and I don't want my eyebrows to look bad. So I'm shooting with this videographer for the first time. So if you guys those who know Navya, the girl I went with Gokarna, he actually shot like a couple of videos for her. And she told me he's like kind of good only. He never shot beauty content. So I'll have to probably maybe tell him what I want or something. Pretty excited. We have to shoot like 5-6 looks today. So it's gonna be a long day. You guys, I just applied full face foundation. I was about to apply concealer. Then I realized I did not apply sunscreen. So I removed my entire base because I'm going to shoot outdoor. I don't know why I look so bad. I look really nice here. Nope. But anyways, so and I'm going to shoot outdoor. So there's no way I'm going out without sunscreen. So removed everything. I'm going to apply sunscreen, then apply this again. Hi you guys, so I actually got done with the first look. I changed the outfit for the second one and I was changing the makeup, but I thought I'd show it to you guys. I have literally no time. Back to back we are shooting, so there's no literally BTS. I'll try to shoot a little more. For look 2 I basically used like that green palette, and for look 1 I basically used that palette, and for look 2 this is not a Maybelline ad but looks like that because I'm shooting for that campaign. I have to change my eyeshadow 5 times. 5 times today. 5. I hope my eyes don't die and give up on me. Okay, you guys, I did the second look, soft pink smoky eye. This is the outfit, and we are about to shoot look number 2. I'm in a park near my house, and we've been shooting here. The first look also we shot here because the concept or the brief which Maybelline gave was for like a garden background, and this is the look too. I really like how this looks. So this, they want like pink flowers or something, so there are pink flowers here. Luckily, this was one thing I was worried because it's summer. I'm not sure where pink flowers would be, but we got it here, so we're trying to take like a diagonal shot here. They're coming now. This is my makeup, hair. Hi you guys, quick outfit change because that one was like the pink was dominating everything, but because it's like a little dark pink dress, right? And the eyeshadow is so soft, pink and light, so the video was not coming out well. So I went and changed into white because white looks good for everything. My phone just fell down. What the fuck, bro? Why did it fall down? Like, it's already 10 o'clock. It's getting pretty hot. So I'm going to grab the second one so that we can do the rest later. So I'm basically done with the third look. We thought we'll finish the shoot today, but the videographer had some, place to be, and it was very urgent. So he said we'll do it tomorrow. So we just got done with this look. I have to do makeup tomorrow again of all these looks. I thought I'll be done with it today, so tomorrow I can shoot something for like Instagram for something else. But yeah, I put on makeup twice today already. Like basically I did my base twice today. but I really love how this looks. Obsessed with it. I love this, like, you know, soft brown moment with this yellow. This lighting though near my staircase, it's right around, what is the time? 5 o'clock. So proper golden hour moment. The videographer actually didn't want to be in the vlog. He's like, I was sure and came, I want to be in the vlog. So I was like, sure. So I do not, like, you know, shoot him or anything, because, you know, to each their own. My mom and I came for grocery shopping. Oh my god, hi you guys. I've had the longest day today. Today is actually day 2 of the shoot. I you know, do not vlog it at all because we had to finish this today, and we shot this in the evening. Like, we had 3 looks to do, and we shot them in the evening. And I you know, was shooting in the morning because I wanted to film something for Instagram as well, and then I had to shoot this. So I literally, like, completely actually forgot about vlogging, and there was no time also. And then he was not comfortable being in the vlog, so, like, you know, let's not make it a big deal. I'm about to, you know, remove my makeup, so I quickly thought I'd show you how I remove it, because, you know, people generally ask. Now I always go first in with cleansing balm, anything cleansing oil, cleansing balm. Today I'm using the Plum what is this, Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. But I'm just very tired. I mean, I feel like this vlog is going to be so boring. I'm like, I only feel bored watching this vlog because what am I even doing? What? Why? Anyways, it is what it is. I can only remember that. Next, I'm going in with the Organic Harvest Cleanser. This is 2 simple steps to remove makeup. It properly removes my entire makeup. Now I just go ahead and do my other skin care. Hi you guys, it's another day of shoot. This was very unexpected. We're shooting for Navya's, my friend Navya, if you don't know. We're shooting for her website. She's launching a website, so she sells like fabrics, sarees, etc. So she asked me to come for the shoot, and we just got ready. We're taking photos. They're shooting since morning, but I came now because I had work in the morning. Businesswoman. Hi, businesswoman. How are you? Show your face. They're shooting since morning. They're literally changing in that chotu sa cubicle. Even I changed it there. It's very useful for outdoor locations. Ah, vlog it. Hello. You know, literally this week everything I did was shoot only. I thought I'll vlog this. Then I was shooting for Maybelline. Then I'm shooting for you. Are you paying me? Hello.
Yes.
How much?
Everything is yours here.
They cannot see my sari, but.
Should I hold that phone?
Yes. First I'll show them your sari. She's wearing her sari. If you want to buy, you can buy. I think it'll be live by the time I make this video live.
Yes, I'm so excited, bro.
So pretty. You show my sari.
Easy అనిపిస్తుంది.
This is my sari. How many more saris are left?
I think we're just gonna do the banners thing. We are doing it for banners. We are the face of the website.
I बहुत पैसा लगेगा for me to be the face. So too much value.
చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది సారీ.
అవునా? Thank you. Obviously I'm wearing it now. I'll show you this sorry. They're shooting there with the light and all. That girl is Navya's intern.
We should actually practice making those Instagram videos, bro.
So that actually we can only shoot without anybody else and all.
అంతే.
Don't die. I feel like myself if I put Dilli after wearing Indian. Like with anta varaku, it's incomplete, no?
Yes.
Yes, same, yes.
Yes. Yes. Finally happening.
Very nice. So I'll stitch something with the fabric.
చాలా బాగుంది కదా? It's looking very nice. The right golden hour moment.
Nandiyaku.
You know, I told in the vlog also that guy didn't want to be in my vlog.
See, your heads need to be this high.
Boom. Hello. Hi. Hi you guys, another day. So many unexpected shoots are happening. Like basically this though I just got ready for like a video. I thought might as well shoot it. So and then while I was shooting, my sister also came. So I shot a couple of pictures with her as well. Hello. She's just sitting outside the door. It's like an evening, what do you say, pastime. She'll sit on the stairs and she'll see outside. Like usually kids playing near the pool and everything. Kuvi ante ishtama niku? Kuvi ante ishtama niku? Ishtama? Ishtama? Kuvi ishtama leda? Leda? Kuvi ishtama ishtama leda? Kuvi. Kuvi ishtama nik chinni ishtama? Chinni ishtama kuvi ishtama? So she has this thing. You tell her whichever is the last one, she'll pick that. So if you say Kuvi or Chinni, she'll say Chinni. If you say Chinni or Kuvi, she'll say Kuvi. Like mummy ishtama, daddy ishtama. Like daddy ishtama, mummy ishtama. Mummy. Same thing always. Antena? 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 Winter? I probably will post the picture by the time this vlog is up, so you know you can check it out, or else I'll just put it on the screen here, or maybe you can just check it out. Follow me on Instagram so that you can see the pictures I clicked with her. She didn't even dress up or anything. She was like this only, and she came while I was shooting pictures. So like might as well. Now though she's very nicely trained. She knows how to smile. She knows everything. Kal pralika. Kada. Vachu ganik photos digadam. Photos now. Now just look at her. Full trained. Even my dad does that. Like whenever you ask him to smile when you're taking pictures, so he does. He cannot like go from. He can't do that. So like he tries to do that. If you ask her also to laugh, she'll. What is Nana? So that she can learn. She's like, why is she talking so much barbar? She's so confused in life. Like, where is my mama? I want her. By the time you see the vlog, this video will be up. But I was about to remove the makeup completely. So I was like, might as well show it on the vlog because I am, showing it to you guys. Navya is also here. Say hi. Just today's Saturday, we are not doing anything. We just started a lot of food in and watch some movie or something. But this is the makeup. I actually removed the top part of it. I just have to cleanse this. About to go take a bath. Navya and I just ordered Taco Bell. It is, if you guys don't know, it's one of my favorite fast food. So we just ordered so much food is here.
It's actually not fast food.
It is fast food. It is all maida only.
It is actually not junk.
Achha, that is what we tell ourselves. Okay, there's so many tacos, quesadilla, Coke, fries, and we're gonna enjoy. Yeah. She loves Taco Bell as much as I do.
Yes.
He gave hot sauce also after a long time. You know, since last 2 months, whenever I went, they did not give hot sauce, bro. They only gave fire. Look at this. This is a party. We especially called that guy and asked for, extra sauce because usually he just gives like 1 or 2 and it's not enough. So many sauces. Good mood. We asked, we told him, Pakka gave 4. He gave 10 each. Not bro. What the fuck? Crazy. He's like, these girls are madmen. What is this? This is heaven. I love hot sauce also, I love hot sauce also. But usually it doesn't have hot sauce. It's always like gone. Today he gave fire and hot. I'm gonna enjoy my meal.
It's
Party time. What is it? Nice. It's a random mukbang we are doing here. But you're not seeing, bro. But we don't have a topic for the mukbang. Yes. My chalupa tripod is on. So Navya is vegetarian and I'm non-vegetarian. Wow. It's been so long. Like I think post Taco Bell addiction, this is the longest time I've not had Taco Bell. Last time we only had. That also I ordered at home 3 or 4 weeks ago, I think, na?
3 weeks ago.
No, I had a face. I cannot compare to you because you two had every day. But for me, going to a place at least twice a week was like, because I'm not addicted to any food so much. Literally, if not twice, once a week, for sure I used to, for sure I used to go for Taco Bell.
Compare with like that pakka.
She used to order every day, so body just feels so satisfied eating chalupa. So this is veg burrito. Last time actually when I ordered also, they gave me one sauce, literally one sauce. So I didn't have that satisfaction of, you know, eating. So it's basically like it's been more than not 2-3 weeks, but 3 plus 2, 5 weeks, like 1.5 months that I had it. So my body is like dying with happiness from inside. Let's talk about boys. I don't know what to talk about boys, but that's the only topic which came in my mind.
I really like that Jinji Pali from Domino's. Domino's, do you like pizza?
I eat only margarita.
That's it.
And basically, anytime pizza only, I eat only margarita, not only in Domino's.
The sides, Jinji Pali.
Very nice.
That's the. Adi Rekuna, it is not finished.
Achha, next time I will try. First time Raksha made me try. So usually if it's pizza, I'm like that basic cheese pizza because it's the safest one. It's not like it can go bad. So the other day when I went to Raksha, she made me order chicken tikka pizza. I don't understand the point of chicken tikka pizza. It literally tastes like, you know, kebab chicken only. It does not taste like pizza. That I ate pizza after a very long time, like literally more than months later. Domino's pizza. So I was like, I wanted to have margarita, but she said, no, it's very nice, it's very nice, it's very nice. I was like, fine, let me order, let me see. Let me try. Okay, anytime I always order cheese galani. I was like, okay, fine, let's order cheese. Literally, you eat it. It's like you're eating a kebab. Literally, it's not like a pizza. I did not get the pizza satisfaction. I ate so much cheese and all in that, but nothing. Literally, I'm telling you, don't order chicken tikka. She's eating nicely. Oh, it is so nice, very yummy. And I'm like, it is nice, true, but it does not taste like pizza. We are done eating. So many times my phone fell down. In this vlog, only twice it fell down. Alright, good night.